Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 Ford Focus Ghia Sedan, stock reference number 3949. This shape runs from the 6th month 2005 through to the 5th month 2007. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front and the rear. We have the chrome radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy gear wheels. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 1 small dent, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light. Boot lid has a couple of small dents. It's got a tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a big long dent across the middle. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right guard has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Got the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey or tan leather interior. It's got a tan leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control dual zone heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster. Vehicle's only done 107,000 kilometres, and a tidy 4-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.